Hey, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to receive this special non-deposit bonus, which is a $30 non-deposit bonus available, guys. And I'm just going to explain few information about this $30 non-deposit bonus. And I'm going to start from the availability of the countries which are available, and then I'm gonna talk about the terms and conditions for you to withdraw. And you have to listen to me very careful because there are tricky deposit, not deposit bonus terms and conditions here, guys. But if you can actually listen carefully, you can understand the whole information. It's not actually that difficult to understand, but probably it will take you for you to rewatch a video if you cannot pick up on a first watch. Before we go further, guys, I recommend you just give me a thumb up on this video. Just give this video a thumb up, guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, just help me subscribe to the channel. That really means a lot to me. Okay, guys, you can see the broker name is this one here, Geratu broker. Whether you have been using this broker or you are a new client, you are also eligible for the bonus or the not deposit bonus not deposit bonus available. And as you can see, guys, let me just go read through for you the terms and condition. And probably if you want to get this link of the broker, guys, you can just comment below and I'll drop the link down in front of your comment. So just give me a comment, ask me the link, and I'll drop the link down there. But before we go further, let's get started. Alright, you can see here there are few terms and conditions. I'm just going to read about 5 or up to 10 or something like that. And before we go further, you can see the promotion bonus applies to the following types of account, which is MT4 ECN highlighted here, guys. You understand it's very important to consider that it's MT4 ECN. And then the bonus is available only in 3 countries, guys. It's available in Malaysia and also Indonesia and then Brunei. These are the only 3 countries considered to be available for the no deposit bonus, which is a $30 no deposit bonus, guys. And I'm sorry for the rest of the countries. I have to provide with you the no deposit bonus next time, guys. Just keep subscribed and next time it will be you, so don't feel left out, guys. And as you can see here, the bonus is created automatically after you have verified your account. They are saying here you can only get the bonus after you have verified your account. So if you can register right now, you can see the bonus will be credited right away, but you cannot trade until you verify your account. So by verifying your account here, we mean, guys, you verify your email, your phone number, and also your proof of address, and then the account will be opened for you to trade. And you can see, guys, they are saying that firstly, no deposit bonus and profit made from using this bonus may be withdrawn only after the client meets the following bonus cash out terms set out from paragraph 7 to 11, from here to 11. But firstly, guys, I want to read things that make sense to you. Okay, the things that make sense to you here are saying that to withdraw that after you have traded and you made a profit, let me say you trade that $30 and made a deposit of you traded that $30 and make a profit. You have to withdraw that profit only after trading 30 lot size. Okay, that's the first condition, guys. You have to trade at least 30 lot size, then you can request to withdraw all your profits and all type of money that you made. The second one will be right here, guys. For you can receive that $30 no deposit bonus, and you can trade and make a profit of 60. That's an example. Let me say you made a profit of 60, and then your balance is now a $60 and also a credit of $30. So you cannot withdraw this right away if you not trade a 30 lot size, but you can withdraw after you can deposit. Let me say you can deposit a 50 or a $10. So the minimum is $10, guys, and maximum is, I think, is 4,000 or something like that. Then you can deposit a $50. It's an example. A deposit amount of $50 is added to a balance, and then a 60 is transferred to the credit amount. The 60 that you made profit from that $30 deposit bonus will be transferred to your credit amount. Now you have a credit of 90 after this 60 plus 30. You have a credit of 90 and also a balance of 50 that you have deposited. So how do you make money with that now? All you have to do is you have to trade that $50 plus a credit, and all the amount that you can accumulate there will be on a balance, and you can withdraw all the balance without any restriction. And this can, this is quite simple, guys. All you have to do, the client trade using the own $50 deposit bonus, and also the own $50 deposit, and also the $90 credit, and then the profit can be made. Let me say you made a profit of 50, you can withdraw, a profit of 70, you can withdraw the 70 anytime. So what they are saying here, guys, they have just given you a credit account, a credit amount for free. You have just to trade that $30 deposit bonus. You made a profit, let me say a profit of 100, then you have to deposit like, let me say a $30 or 40 or 50, whatever, and after depositing, the $50 that you have deposited will stay on a balance, but the amount that you made the last time on a $30 deposit bonus will be transferred to your credit, and now you have to trade using a credit and the balance amount that you have deposited, and all the money that you're gonna make from there, you're gonna withdraw that money without any restriction for the next 3 months, guys. And it's probably a good, probably a very nice bonus, guys. I can choose that, I can go with that. I'm not active here, guys, and I cannot get the bonus because my country is inactive. As you can see, my country is not supported. Only have 3 countries supported, guys. Only have Malaysia up to Indonesia and Brunei. Those are the 3 countries that are supported, guys. And if you like this type of video, guys, and you want to see more of that, just help me subscribe and just help me give this video a thumb up. And also, if you like me to drop the this link down here, if you want me to drop this link, guys, I'll just probably drop it in a comment. Just comment and I'll give it right in front of your comment, guys. And thank you guys for watching one of my video. See you again on the next video.